Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 644. We're opening two boxes of SP Game Used 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets and it ended May 24th at 9:59 p.m. According to timeanddate.com, it is 10:04 p.m. Monday, May 25th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 437, 559. Second box number is 221, 437, 777. We've got 5 cards per pack. 5 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. For hits, first box of SP Game Used 13-14, break number 644. We've got an empty box, piece of foam backing, 5 packs. First pack, extra careful like always. Here we go. Oh, wow. Brendan, oh, this is nice. Brendan Gallagher. Game Used jersey out of 12. 2 of 12. Wow, that's nice for Montreal. First pack. Second pack. Flyers. We've got Peter Forsberg and Ron Extall dual jersey card for Flyers. Game Used jersey card, Keith Yandel for Coyotes. Game Used jersey, Matt Sundin for Toronto. And last pack of the first box. Nicholas Jensen for Vancouver, gold rookie autographed. That's our first box. Small cleanup. I like it when it's clean and on screen. Second box. I'd like to remind everybody we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. More appeal all the time. We've got some Artifact, Crown Royale, Titanium, Predict Ultimate Collection. We got an empty box. Piece of foam backing. 5 packs. First bag. Oh, this is nice. Claude Giroux. Auto patch at 10. What a nice hit. Flyers. Oh, this is nice. Let me sleeve this right away. Beautiful card. A great player. Okay, next pack. Rookie Fabrics. Tyler Toffoli for Kings and Thomas Hertl for Sharks. dual rookie jersey card. So card will be randomized at the end of the break between Kings and Sharks. So we'll just put it aside on random.org. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description page. Next pack. Piquet Subban, game used jersey card from Montreal. Kari Lehtonen, used jersey card for Stars. And last pack of our 2-box break. Dave Schultz auto for Flyers. And that's our 2-box. We'll clean up. We'll do a recap of our hits, but before we do, got this card to be randomized. Like always, I'm ready on random.org, so let's just change screen. Here we are. Random.org. Under the list randomizer, card we're randomizing is between Kings and Sharks. Kings is first on card. Kings. Oops. Sharks. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. Here we go. Randomize once. Kings on top twice. Kings still on top and a 3rd time. Kings is on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Kings wins this card. Okay, now as promised, let's do a quick recap. Extra careful, like always. This card is sleeved, so we'll put them on the bottom. Kings, double jersey card, Flyers, Dave Schultz auto. Jersey card for Dallas, give me a jersey card for Montreal. Beautiful Claude Giroux patch and auto. Inked sweaters out of 10. Vancouver, Nicholas Jensen, gold auto rookie. Toronto, Atlantic Fabrics, Coyote Fabrics, dual jersey fabric for Flyers, and a Brendan Gallagher out of 12 from Montreal of Team Canada Fabrics. So that concludes our break number 644, 2-box of SP Game Used 1314. My name is Jill. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.